Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this RV garage pool home that was just listed. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 690 Pueblo Drive. It's kind of the top of Shimawavy. Nice big corner lot, 12,000 square feet. This one was just listed for $950. So you have a gated side RV boat parking, super wide. You can get a bunch of stuff back there, I'm sure. We'll go check it out here in a second. So you can kind of see where the property line is at the water box here, and then using the telephone poles, of course. This one also has a stamped concrete driveway, nice landscaping. They also did the nice upgraded garage doors. There's also full Malibu lights on this one, so it lights up real nice at night. All right, let's go on in and check it out. Nice 8-foot entry door. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2016. 2,302 square feet. Again, it was just listed today for $950. Nice open floor plan, travertine floors. Nice tall vaulted ceilings. Slider out to the backyard pool area. There's also integrated speakers in the ceiling. You have a nice little dining area with another door out to the backyard pool area. Nice big open kitchen with upgraded cabinets. Nice thick granite slab counters with an eat-at bar. Travertine tiled backsplash. I guess there's propane, so they use that for the stove, so you have gas cooking. Nice stainless appliances. All the cabinets, again, are upgraded with the soft touch close. You have reverse osmosis drinking water at your sink. And it kind of wraps around. There's garage door access, indoor laundry, and the other bedrooms we'll go check out right now. So again, this is a split floor plan going down the master side off the kitchen. Trowel down walls and ceilings. So this is the master. It's huge in here with a big vaulted ceiling. Definitely a nice open space. Slider out to the backyard pool area. So you have a cool master bath, walk-in shower, of course, dual sinks. Looks like travertine tops with a little stacked stone backsplash, can lights. The other sink's on the other side. So your toilet has its own door, and there's also your walk-in closet, which is a very good size. So the walk-through closet also Jack and Jill's out to the laundry room and garage door access back over to the kitchen, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool tops on this. And then you also have your tiled walk-in shower. It's pretty good size. So this house also has like a bonus room den that they're using as an office. Doesn't have a closet, so you can't really call it a bedroom, but it's definitely a cool little office. All right, so you have the other two bedrooms on the other side of the house. Let's just hit this one first. So this would be your first guest bedroom. At the back of the house does have a slider out to the backyard pool area, vaulted ceilings, double door, closet. So down the hall you have your guest bathroom. Again, has a cool, looks like travertine top. Tiled shower tub combo. And then you have the third bedroom at the front of the house. Has a cool little seating area. They have the plantation shutters throughout the house as well. Double door, slider on the closet. All right, so we're back off the kitchen with your indoor laundry. Same travertine top sink in here. This little doggy door and the man door. And then here's the walk-through master closet. So you have a nice garage setup. You have a 2-car side that's 24 feet deep with a 8-foot door, 20 foot wide at the door opening. You have your air handler out here. So you also have a nice 64-foot RV garage with a 14-foot door. There's a little built-in storage over here. There's also like a loft storage in the rear. 13-foot wide at the door opening on the RV garage, and there is air conditioner in here with the mini ACs. So you have your RO, looks like a whole house water filter, ice maker, more built-ins, a little utility sink, and then this little loft area, which is pretty cool. We'll go check that out. So you have a door out to the backyard in the rear, and then steps up to this little mezzanine or loft area for storage. And this is actually a cool one because you can actually stand up in here. I've been in some where you can't even stand up, but. All right, guys, so this is the backyard pool area. Unfortunately, they have a pressure washer going next door, so it's a little bit loud. So they have all travertine decking all the way under the covered back patio, which is a pretty good size. There is speakers out here as well. So the pool's real nice, has 3 spillways in the stacked stone raised beam back there. Cool little seating area. So you also set up this cool little side yard with some turf for his dog. As you can see, there's the doggy door out of the garage. Your pool equipment, all pretty new, of course. Tons of side RV boat parking. Your mini split AC condensers out here, propane tank to feed the stove at least. I'm not sure what else is on it. We can find out. So here's the other side of the yard. You have a little outdoor shower, which is cool. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Pueblo Drive. Again, this one was just listed today for $950. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you can guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.